Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Wednesday, July 29th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, key indexes experienced a broad decline. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,320.23, down 108.55 points, with notable downward volatility. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index closed at 51,594.14, dropping 1,153.18 points, reflecting some downward swings. Market breadth showed declines outpacing advances across major indexes. The S&P 500 index saw 302 decliners versus 183 advancers, while the Nasdaq Composite Index experienced 1,941 declines against 860 rises. This negative trend indicates a day of strong downward pressure. Week to date, indexes exhibited declines, with the Nasdaq Composite Index leading the losses at negative 2.13%. The Russell 2000 Index also fell by 0.81% week to date. Despite short-term setbacks, both Dow 30 Index and S&P 500 Index maintained positive year-to-date returns exceeding 7%. Among sectors, energy stood out, rising by 2% to close at 901.56, showcasing a very strong positive trend. The consumer defensive sector continued its upward run, closing up for the fourth day, hinting strong upward volatility. On the downside, industrial saw a significant fall of 3.2%, closing at 1,494.46. The technology sector also faced a slump, down 2.4%, continuing its five-day losing streak amidst strong downward volatility. Globally, Singapore led ETFs with a new all-time high, marking its fourth consecutive day up, reaching 32.35. Meanwhile, Poland mirrored this high with a close at 41.56, riding a strong positive trend. In terms of returns, Norway showed strong monthly gains at 8.69%, offsetting slight weekly losses. Notably, Singapore maintains an impressive year-to-date return of 17.59%, while maintaining an all-time high performance. In the technology sector, Apple ended the day at $338.19, down 1.89. Despite the negative close, it remains on a very strong positive trend. Alphabet closed higher at $335.76, gaining 3.16, marking the fourth consecutive day of closing up, but still within a very strong negative trend. Amazon decreased by 4.21 to end at $226.65, closing down for the seventh straight day amid a very strong negative trend. Meta Platforms, with a close of $585.61, dropped 7.80, extending its streak to 10 consecutive negative closes and maintaining a strong negative trend. Nvidia saw a decrease of 7, closing at $190.1, with some downward volatility and maintaining a very strong negative trend today.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently down at 63,460.95, dropping 386.17. It's showing a strong negative trend. Ethereum is also declining, priced at 1,881.79, decreasing by 38.11 and presenting a mixed negative trend. BNB remains flat, despite similar downward pressure. Solana is dealing with a very strong negative trend with some intraday volatility. Lastly, Dogecoin records a 0.0693 price, decreasing by 0.0015 with notable downward fluctuations. now focusing on total and daily returns. Bitcoin shows a monthly return of 8.43%, despite year-to-date showing a decrease. Ethereum highlights a 19.9% monthly return, countering its year-to-date slip. BNB's month return recovers a bit, but maintains consistent negativity year-to-date. Solana struggles with sharp declines across the board. Dogecoin follows suit, marking a 5.49% weekly drop and a stark 40.92% year-to-date decline.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed movements against key world currencies. Against the euro, the dollar is currently down at 0.8725, dropping by 0.59%. Likewise, it has weakened against the British pound to 0.7491, down by 0.44%. The dollar displays a very strong positive trend against the Japanese yen, despite a drop to 163.51. Meanwhile, it maintains an upward trend against the Australian dollar, trading up at 1.4389. The greenback shows some volatility against the Swiss franc, falling to 0.8139.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.